Good afternoon, Russell. My name is Citron here at Tameron Hyundai in Hoover. First of all, thank you for submitting your vehicle inquiry. The Tucson is one of our more popular vehicles here on our lot. Okay, so I'm excited to show you our brand new 2019 Tucson. Here in the front, beautiful honeycomb grille with the LED wraparound headlights, nitrogen-filled tires, blind spot detection in both mirrors. This is a push to start on the inside. A ton of safety and technology features such as lane keep assist, drive mode. We have a 7-inch touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. But the best part here about our vehicles are the warranties, Russell. We have a 5-year, 60,000-mile new car bumper-to-bumper warranty and a 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. But here at Tameron, we double that last one to 20 years, 200,000-mile powertrain warranty, making no other warranty in the country better than ours. We have a ton of colors on this beautiful vehicle. I'm the one who's going to be working with you. Again, my name is Citron. I'm excited to bring you in, test drive it, and of course earn your business, have you maximize savings with our pre-Memorial Day deals and incentives. So please come on down. My number is 703-505-1598, where you're going to love the way you're treated, Russell.